Are you tired of feeling trapped in the cycle of stress and dissatisfaction? Do you long for a way to break free from the chaos and find inner peace? Today, I present to you a powerful tool that can lead you on the path to liberation. This journey isn't just about sitting quietly. It's a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Here are 7 criteria to unfuck your life. Criteria 1. Silence the noise. In our fast-paced world, our minds are constantly bombarded with noise from the media, our responsibilities, and our own thoughts. The first step to unfucking your life is to silence this noise. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Allow yourself to let go of all distractions and simply be present in the moment. It involves retreating from the external chaos and internal chatter to embrace tranquility. It's a deliberate act of tuning out distractions, closing the door to the cacophony of demands and worries. Criteria 2. Embrace the present. Too often, we find ourselves dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. But true peace can only be found in the present moment. Embrace the here and now, letting go of regrets and anxieties. Allow yourself to fully experience the beauty of each moment as it unfolds. It's a call to release the grip of past regrets and future anxieties, and instead savor the richness of the present moment. By grounding ourselves in the immediacy of our surroundings, we awaken to the vibrant tapestry of life unfolding before us. Each breath becomes an opportunity to experience joy, gratitude, and wonder. Criteria 3. Cultivate awareness. Through this journey, you can develop a heightened sense of awareness not only of the world around you, but also of your own thoughts and emotions. Take the time to observe your inner landscape without judgment or attachment. This awareness will empower you to make conscious choices and live authentically. Criteria 4. Surrender to surrender. In our quest for control, we often forget that true freedom lies in surrender. Let go of the need to micromanage every aspect of your life and instead surrender to the natural flow of existence. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should and allow yourself to be carried by the currents of life. It's a profound recognition that true freedom lies not in resistance or manipulation, but in surrendering to the natural ebb and flow of life. By letting go of our need to dictate outcomes and micromanage every detail, we open ourselves to the inherent wisdom of the universe. Surrender becomes an act of trust, a surrendering of the ego's demands to the greater intelligence of existence. Criteria 5. Embrace the darkness. Within each of us lies a shadow, the parts of ourselves that we'd rather ignore or deny. But true healing can only occur when we acknowledge and embrace these dark corners of our psyche. Shine a light into the depths of your soul, confronting your fears and insecurities head-on. In doing so, you'll discover a newfound sense of wholeness and self-acceptance. It's an acknowledgement that beneath the surface of our consciousness lies a realm of hidden fears, insecurities, and pain. Rather than shying away from these darker aspects of our being, we are called to shine the light of awareness upon them. By embracing our shadows without judgment or fear, we unlock profound opportunities for healing and growth. Through this process, we discover that within the darkness lies the seeds of transformation, leading us to greater wholeness and self-understanding. Criteria 6. Cultivate compassion. As you embark on your journey of self-discovery, remember to extend compassion both to yourself and to others. Recognize that we are all imperfect beings, struggling to find our way in the world. By cultivating compassion, you'll create a space of love and acceptance that nurtures growth and healing. Criteria 7. Bask in the light. Finally, allow yourself to bask in the light of your own inner radiance. You are a divine being, worthy of love and happiness. Embrace your true essence and let your light shine brightly for all the world to see. By following these 7 criterias, you can unfuck your life and unlock the limitless potential that lies within you. So take a deep breath, quiet your mind, and embark on this journey of self-discovery. Your life will never be the same again. Additional criteria: embrace growth and evolution. Finally, remember that the journey of self-improvement is ongoing. As you unfuck your life through meditation, you'll inevitably encounter new challenges and obstacles along the way. Embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth and evolution, knowing that each step forward brings you closer to the best version of yourself. With dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to self-love, you can continue to unfuck your life and create the happy, fulfilling existence you deserve.